To solve for the radius, diameter, circumference, or area of a circle. Here's a practice problem. Give this one a try and bring it up. For the practice problem, you're given A. So A is pi r squared. Substitute in 320 for the A and set it equal to pi r squared. And then divide both sides by pi so that these pi's on the right can cancel out. And on the left, you're left with 320 over pi. Now, to get the r squared into an r, you need the square root of both sides. So the square root of 320 over pi equals r. You are looking for d. In the cases in which you're looking for d, we agreed that we would round r to the 10th place first and then multiply by 2. So plug in the square root of 320 divided by pi and come up with 10.1. If r equals 10.1, you have to multiply 10.1 by 2 to get an answer of 20.2 for the diameter. Try this one and drop it off up here. You're starting with area, so you need A equals pi r squared. And then set the 450 equal to pi r squared. You're plugging it in for A. Now divide both sides by pi. And that leaves you with 450 over pi. These pi's cancel out. And you have an r squared on the right. To get r alone, you need the square root of both sides. Square root of 450 over pi equals r. You are finding c, and c is 2 pi r. So plug in what you found over here for the radius, the square root of 450 over pi. On your calculator, you're going to do the square root of 450 over pi first, and then multiply by 2 pi. You should come out with an answer of 75.2. Try this one and drop it off. You're starting with circumference, so c equals 2 pi r, and you're given that c is 32.5, so you plug that in and set it equal to 2 pi r. Divide both sides by 2 pi, and those cancel out, leaving you with r, and then 32.5 over 2 pi on the left. You are finding area. Area is pi r squared. So area equals pi times the quantity squared of what you found for the radius over there. So 32.5 over 2 pi. In parentheses, you need 32.5, divide, and then parentheses around 2 pi. And 2 right-hand parentheses, and then the square button. And from there you multiply by pi. You should come out with an answer for the area of 84.1. Try this one and bring it up. You're starting with the circumference, so c equals 2 pi r, and you're given 275 is, or 275.2 is c, and set that equal to 2 pi r, and then divide both sides by 2 pi. They cancel out on the right, leaving you with r, and you have 275.2 over 2 pi on the left. At this point, we need to find r and round to the 10th place, so 275.2 divided by parentheses around 2 pi. And round that to the 10th place to get 43 46.8 for r, but you must multiply that by 2. 43.8 times 2 is 87.6.